All right, guys, doing a Stanley Steemer. They're all Ford Transit, the new ones, 2021s. Gonna do your regular tracker. On this second plug right here, you're gonna find a red wire for constant and a blue with a brown for ignition. Grounded it right there. I'm gonna run my PTO wire. It's positive. I'm about to hook it up. Yeah, I ran my wire up here, around over the headliner, and let me go around. So it's coming up the headliner. We're here running it down. I'm gonna pop that in, and then I put a little bit of loom right here. There's already a punched hole here. We're doing the PTO, by the way. Put a little bit of loom, and then this orange wire right here, when you turn it on, it gives me 12 volts. So that is your PTO trigger, and that's it.